Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the third part of the sum, difference, and cofunction identities. In the last two parts, we discussed how to find the trigonometric value for difference between two angles or sum of two angles, sine alpha plus beta or sine alpha minus beta, also cosine alpha plus beta or cosine alpha minus beta. In this part, we are going to speak about the cofunction identities. The cofunction identities, this came from the, we can say, complementary angles. We have y plus x equal to 90. We call these two angles are complement. So we can say that also y equal to 90 minus x. Now the cofunction identities given by sine of 90 minus x equal to cosine of y. So sine of 90 minus theta will be equal to cosine theta, because theta and 90 minus theta are complement angles. So the trigonometric values will be cofunction identities. Cosine of 90 minus theta equal to sine theta. Tangent of 90 minus theta equal to cotangent of theta, and cotangent of 90 minus theta equal to tangent. So sine with cosine and tangent with cotangent. Secant of 90 minus theta equal to cosecant of theta, and cosecant of 90 minus theta equal to secant of theta. This is if theta is given in degrees. If it is given in radian, we are using pi over 2. To verify this, I'm going to just show the first one. We have sine using the difference angles. Sine alpha minus beta equal to sine alpha cosine beta minus cosine alpha. We have this from the difference identities. So if alpha equal to 90 and beta is going to be theta, so sine of 90 minus theta can be written as sine 90 multiplied by cosine beta minus cosine 90 multiplied by sine theta. But we know that sine 90 equal to 1, cosine 90 equal to 0. So 0 multiplied by sine theta will be 0, and 1 times cosine beta theta. So this should be theta, not beta. I will have the remaining will be cosine of theta. So sine of 90 minus theta will be equal to cosine theta. Same thing we can apply it for cosine 90 minus theta or tangent 90 minus theta. All of these are easy to be verified using the difference identities. For the application for this cofunction identities, try to solve this or this set of exercises. Use a cofunction identity to write an equivalent expression for the given value. Number 19. We have sine 42 degrees. The equivalent for this one is cosine of 90 minus 42. So if it is sine, I will use cosine, which is equal to cosine of 48. So sine of 42 is equivalent to cosine 48. Number 20. Cosine of 80 is equivalent to sine of 90 minus 80 degrees, which is equal to sine of 10. 21 tangent of 15 is equivalent to cotangent. 90 minus 15 degrees will give me cotangent of 75. Number 22, cotangent of 2 degrees is equivalent to tangent. 90 minus 2 will be tangent of 88. Number 23, secant of 25 is equivalent to cosecant of 90 minus 25 degrees. That will give me cosecant of 65. And last one, secant of 84 is equivalent to secant. Cosecant is equivalent to secant of 90 minus 84. That will be secant of 6 degrees. So these are the cofunctions or cofunction identities. Sine will give me the cosine 90 minus theta. Cosine is sine of 90 minus theta. Tangent is cotangent or equivalent to cotangent 90 minus theta. And secant is equivalent to cosecant, and cosecant is equivalent to the secant 90 minus theta. This is the idea of the cofunction identities.